Are you ready for the investment opportunities of 2025? The crypto market is shifting.
Absolutely. Our experts share top insights that could change your investment strategy.
From the best altcoins to buy now to predictions on Bitcoin's rise, this video covers it all.
Plus, our AI-driven summaries allow you to grasp key details without wasting time.
Let's hear from Jack Doherty on why altcoins could be your best investment in this market.
And keep watching for a dive into the imminent market challenges everyone's talking about.
Remember, this content is meant for educational purposes only and not investment advice. Today marks one of the wildest days in crypto history. Can you feel the market madness?
Absolutely. We're witnessing a dramatic pullback, but is it just a correction or something more?
Seems like chaos reigns with all those rug pulls and scams popping up everywhere.
Exactly. With Bitcoin flirting with the 100K mark, it feels like a jittery roller coaster.
So the core takeaway here is that rising Bitcoin prices can attract risks.
Right, but we mustn't ignore the scams that come along with hype.
What should investors do in light of these challenges?
Patience is key. Quality projects are still out there.
Did you see that shocking example of an influencer promoting a scam coin?
Yes, these scams thrive where hype overshadows logic.
What should viewers look out for to avoid being scammed?
Always research projects before investing. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Looking ahead, Bitcoin's price might dip to around $72,000.
Isn't that a normal part of a bull market, though?
Exactly. Dips are expected, and they offer buying opportunities.
So timing the market is crucial, but is it really possible?
What quality projects should investors keep an eye on?
Analog's aim for seamless interoperability stands out.
And what about gaming? Seems to be a hot area right now.
Absolutely. The gaming sector is ripe for innovation and investment. What should investors consider moving forward?
Shifting towards assets with true value will be critical.
Does that mean moving away from risky altcoins?
Exactly. A pivot towards stability is wise right now.
Key reminder, stay focused on quality amidst the hype.
And don't forget the importance of due diligence.
It's all about responsible investing in this chaotic environment.
Next up, we explore what could be the tipping point for future investments.
Absolutely. Insights from Sheldon on Crypto Banter will shine light on what to expect.
Stay tuned for a detailed discussion on exciting trends.
Sheldon predicts a major pullback is imminent, but he sees it as a prime buying opportunity.
He points out that many altcoins recently experienced massive breakouts.
But how should investors prepare for this pullback?
Great question. Sheldon advises having cash ready to take advantage of significant dips.
Sheldon believes this pullback is pivotal, likening it to a controlled reset before the next bull market.
It's all about being disciplined during these market fluctuations.
What makes now different for investors?
Investors have a chance to purchase once popular coins at discounted rates.
The market shows signs of exhaustion. Sheldon highlights the importance of recognizing bearish patterns.
Exactly. Many investors need to be ready for potential losses.
So timing becomes crucial.
Absolutely. Proper timing can safeguard against substantial losses. Having cash on hand is like having a lifebuoy during a storm.
Investors are often too caught up in buying during price highs.
Preparing cash reserves lets you seize opportunities when prices plummet.
Right. It offers a chance to buy great assets on sale. Sheldon emphasizes focusing on compelling altcoins first before others.
It's wise to enter orders even before prices hit desired levels.
This tactic sets you up for success once the market stabilizes.
Correct. Setting limit orders ensures you're ready to buy at the right time.
Post-dip, Sheldon's confident altcoins should soar again.
So the dip isn't the end?
Absolutely not. It's part of the market's natural rhythm.
Great news. When do you expect this rally to begin?
Sheldon expects recoveries to begin within the next few days. Staying calm ensures you can make smarter investment decisions.
Sheldon advocates for strategic thinking to thrive in the crypto world.
So actionable steps lead to financial success.
Indeed, knowledge and emotional resilience are the keys. Next, we'll uncover vital techniques to master altcoin trading.
Stay tuned for essential strategies that can elevate your trading game.
Make sure you subscribe to not miss out.
Bitcoin has just flipped and the price is moving down. What's going on?
Lark Davis dives into the crazy fluctuations of Bitcoin as it drops by 6 to 7% this week.
And what about those altcoin updates? They seem just as wild.
Let's unravel this and see how it impacts our investment strategies.
So Lark suggests that this drop is merely a correction in a longer upward trend.
Exactly. As long as Bitcoin holds above certain support levels, we could still be on track.
What if it doesn't? Is the peak just wishful thinking?
Historically, corrections have led to higher peaks, especially after such significant rallies.
The sentiment from traders seems shaky right now.
Absolutely, many are panic selling their altcoins.
Shouldn't they be holding, considering the long-term growth?
Exactly, those who zoom out often find great entry points. Lark notes that institutional investors are still buying Bitcoin during this dip.
It's interesting. Institutions like BlackRock seldom sell.
Are retail traders missing the opportunity?
Quite possibly, many focus too much on short-term losses. Lark humorously mentions how meme coins are a double-edged sword.
Absolutely. When the hype dies down, many investors panic.
Is there any real value in these coins?
Some could have potential, but it's often driven by hype.
So what's the wildest prediction on Bitcoin's price?
Lark foresees a potential peak at $250K if current trends continue.
That sounds speculative. What's driving this optimism?
Past performance and strong institutional backing suggest a powerful run. The essential takeaway today is not to fear these price corrections.
Right? History shows that patience often pays off.
And it's crucial to align with solid market fundamentals.
Benjamin Cowan dives deep into the Pi cycle top indicator. This tool has been making waves for its ability to predict Bitcoin's price tops.
Right, it promises accuracy within just 3 days of a top event. Quite impressive.
Wait, how can one indicator be so reliable? What makes it tick?
Let's unpack that. Cowan breaks it down using historical data.
So the core of Cowan's argument is rooted in historical accuracy, but it raises an important question.
Absolutely. He highlights how recent indicators show less significance over time.
Do you really think it's a sign that it's failing?
Not necessarily failing, but it gives us pause. We should remain cautious.
Cowan points out that the Pi cycle indicator perfectly predicted historical tops.
Tested is the key word here. It's about more than just past performance.
Right, but can it really predict future peaks? What's the assurance?
Sure, but as Cowan stresses, we may not see the same pattern repeat.
What kind of future effectiveness is Cowan imagining?
He speculates it may not hit those past heights again, especially now.
Does that mean we should avoid relying on this indicator?
Not necessarily avoid, but balance it with other analyses. The key takeaway? Don't rely solely on a single indicator.
Exactly. Stay educated and watch for emerging patterns.
Sounds like a plan. Diversification, flexibility, and critical thinking.
Could Dogecoin truly rally to $1? Today, we'll explore whether that's a dream or a real possibility.
Right. The team behind Coin Bureau suggests that there's more than just memes driving this trend.
But what about the underlying fundamentals? Is it all just hype?
Stay tuned as we dive deep into the Dogecoin phenomenon.
Key to Dogecoin's future is the involvement of figures like Elon Musk, who has wielded considerable influence over its price.
Absolutely. Plus, regulatory developments could unlock major financial pathways for Dogecoin.
But can we really trust the market dynamics around this?
Well, while there's risk, the potential upside is also compelling.
We can't underestimate Elon Musk's role. He's practically been dubbed Dogecoin CEO by the community.
Right. His tweets are notorious for driving massive price increases.
But is that sustainable? Can he maintain that influence?
It depends on the market's perception and external factors, like regulations.
A potential approval of a spot Dogecoin ETF could serve as a major catalyst.
Exactly. Market dynamics are rapidly evolving. Investors are closely watching regulatory bodies.
But how exactly does this influence price?
Institutional interest tends to drive prices up, creating new buying opportunities.
A major concern is the centralization. Are we too reliant on specific figures for Dogecoin's success?
That could mean volatility down the line if those figures shift focus.
Plus, past cycles have shown a tendency for profit rotation. What happens when holders cash out?
Exactly. The market's psychology is crucial in these scenarios.
Looking ahead, a rally to $1 could be in the works, particularly with the right catalysts.
And continued support from its community will be vital. They're the backbone of Dogecoin.
What strategies should investors consider as this unfolds?
Maximizing trading fees and staying updated on news can make all the difference.
Overall, keeping an ear to the ground is vital in investing in Dogecoin.
Investors should stay proactive and evaluate their positions as new information arises.
Exactly. Engaging with the Doge community can also provide valuable insights.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Leave your thoughts below. Can Dogecoin reach $1, or is it just wishful thinking?
We're excited to hear what you think. Don't forget to share with friends.
Thank you for joining this discussion, and keep the conversation going.
Well, folks, that's a fantastic dive into the world of crypto with some of the leading voices.
Absolutely. From Nick's bullish take on Dogecoin to Benjamin's cautious analysis of Bitcoin's indicators, there's a lot to unpack.
It's intriguing how they all agree on the volatility, yet they don't see eye to eye on the indicator's reliability.
Yes, while Nick sees stars with Dogecoin, the altcoin daily team is flashing caution signs on scams.
And let's not forget Sheldon's perspective on buying opportunities during pullbacks. I mean, how many times do we hear that?
True, the key takeaway, stay informed and ready for anything in this chaotic market.
If you found these insights valuable, definitely like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future content.
Your support fuels our mission to keep you ahead of the curve with expert analysis.
Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more financial wisdom.
See you next time, and remember, the crypto world never sleeps.